Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot add cards. The region setting for this device cannot be used with Apple Pay. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having this type issue that you're trying to add cards, but you see a pop message that your region setting cannot be used with Apple Pay. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens when you have set a wrong region in your iPhone. So now to fix that, you have to open the settings first, and here go for general. The very first, you have to try to update your software because sometime it might be that your software is not updated, so there will be any glitch with your software. So after that, you have to go back, then select VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN because your VPN may affect location-based content. So you have to disconnect with that, and then go for language and region option. Select region and select your own region in which you're living on and from which you're using your iPhone. And once you have selected, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're having the issue that you cannot add cardio to the region settings for your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next video, bye bye.